Dangerous eruption of the Krakatoa, or should we say Anak Krakatoa, the baby Krakatoa, has started. This Krakatoa volcano is the most fascinating volcano probably in the history of the volcanism, and people know it because it caused a lot of controversy when actually it erupted in 19th century. It caused cooling effect deeply felt around the world. It caused a red sunset around the world. And because of the many documentaries built about this, it became really part of the folklore of the volcanology. It has now erupted, it's in eruption. This is located in Indonesia, of course, as we know. And in the Indonesian islands are part of the subduction zone of the Indo-Australian plate under the Eurasian plate, creating these volcanoes. This one is dangerous because is in the middle of the, a sea between the Java and the rest of the islands of the archipelago of the Indonesia. And the water coming in contact with the lava and magma can create a steam and explosion. That is the reason it is so explosive and dangerous. It was destroyed several times in the past. This time it's created a little baby Krakatoa, or in the middle of the what is remained of the blown up whole island in the past, 19th century. A tiny one, baby or Anak Krakatoa, is created. This is regularly erupting now, and this recent one is dangerous because it has continued. It has not stopped since 2-3 days ago. So it's not just one eruption; it's continuing. It will continue to build up, through this process of eruptions, and create the island bigger and make it bigger until it fill up the gap probably between the what is remained of the past big eruption. As you can see, is face is changing. The island face is changing gradually by these eruptions, and adding to the land mass of this volcano, it can potentially join with what is remained of the old volcano. In the past, it had a crater like that. Now that one blown up. The the potential for danger from this volcano is because of the tsunamis it can create also in the adjacent areas in the Southeast Asia, and a lot of people live in there. About half a million people, half a billion people, I should say, half a billion people. Part of the Ring of Fire, Indo-Pacific Ring of Fire, which is the most dangerous or probably biggest structure on the planet Earth that we know at the surface visible.